Hi there. So idea number 42 of the 50 best ideas I have ever come across will be no other than one of my favorite pastors, Pastor George Izunwa, senior pastor of Gateway International Church, based in Nigeria, Rivers State to be specific. And the reason why I love this idea was that he conceived it out of nothing. He was going to hold a particular service in his church, a service for couples, a couples service, and there was no money to fund this event. That was when he was just starting. But he said he had a brilliant idea, and he said, oh, you know what? We're going to have a cooking competition. Every woman cook, and then you are going to serve a table, and then we will find out who the winner is.
Hold up. I know you're enjoying the video, but guess what? I'm facilitating a class on how to reprogram the subconscious. I'm going to use a lot of stories that people can relate with, real life stories. This is going to be very, very practical. So do you want to change negative patterns? Do you want to break free from limiting thoughts and limiting belief systems? I'm going to use my life as an example. I bedwetted until I was 16. I was able to break free from that. I came out of 2 years of suicidal thoughts. I was able to break free from that. I went on to memorize 14 books of the Bible. I went on to build amazing habits, fasting every day for 10 years, build amazing habits in my life that I'm very proud of. And I want to show you some of the principles in reprogramming the subconscious. If you want to be part of this training, scan the QR code. And I have another training I'm doing as well. It's called How Individuals Become Institutions. Now, I have studied 500 of the most important companies in the world over the last 100 years. And I have put together the most exciting research I have ever done. A 4-hour presentation on how individuals become institutions. In every sector in the world, every sector, 4 companies dominate the sector, control 80% of everything that goes on in that sector. I'll give you an example. In the automobile industry, it's dominated by Toyota, Volkswagen, BMW, and Hyundai. In the food industry, it's controlled by PepsiCo and Coca-Cola, Kraft Heinz, Mondelez, and Monsanto. Then, in the beauty sector, it's controlled by 4 companies: L'Oreal, Estee Lauder, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. In the media world, it's controlled by 4 companies. You have Disney, Time Warner, Comcast Viacom, and News Corporation, and so on and so forth. But I want to show you how these companies started from individuals to become companies that dominate entire industries. It's a training that is not only necessary for people who are in the corporate sector. If you are a parent, if you are a student, you need to have this. I wish I'd known this when I was 20 years younger, 25, 30 years younger. I would have made my life a whole lot better. So you are drawing from decades and centuries of experience. I recommend this training for everybody who is interested in succeeding and knowing how to maximize time. How individuals become institutions. How individuals become institutions. It's a 4-hour presentation. I'm giving you nothing but facts, showing you in a storyline format how individuals become institutions. You will love it. So if you're interested, scan the QR code. Bye for now, and back to the video.
And guess what? He said he invites people. So he was able to get people and he was able to get the funding. So he didn't have to pay for food and he didn't have to pay for advertisements. And guess what? It became a success and they continue to repeat it. Today, Gateway International Church is one of the fastest growing churches in Nigeria. And for that, George Izunwa, I love you. Brilliant man, brilliant pastor. Apart from I listen to his sermons, he's just a very brilliant person. Somebody who I really respect. And that's why he occupies number 42nd position. Up next will be idea number 41 of the 50 brilliant ideas I have ever heard. God bless you. Do have an amazing day and bye for now.
Hi there, I'm Adekanmi, publisher of the Immersion Bible, and I will get you addicted to the Word of God, line upon line, precept upon precept. If you would like access to any of my books, products, or services, scan the QR code after this and you will have access to that. Kemi sends her love as always. Do have an amazing day and bye for now.